Hello guys! Welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, ayan, pa-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit ng notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung friend ko. Open sa Tarot Reading. Ako po, Astrological Reading, at saka palm reading yung available sa akin. Actually, meron akong package deal. You can ask about that sa aking admin. Medyo pricey lang siya kasi I can give you all the time that you need or want. We can talk through Zoom. We can talk live, ganyan. If you want to talk to me, gusto mo ako makita ng personal, there's a possibility doon. And I can give you live reading, pero medyo iba ang ano lang nun, no? Kasi talaga maglalaan ako ng oras, schedule, and isasantabi ko lahat para sa'yo if you want to schedule yung ganon. Okay lang. Mag-message ka na lang doon sa aming Facebook page. Madam P. Hashtag Virgo Philippines. Hashtag, I will just show you na lang. Eto. Ayan. And then, i-ano mo na lang, tignan mo na lang. TikTok, Facebook page, at Gmail. Ayan. So, anyway, yung hashtag ang isa-search mo sa Facebook page kasi hindi mo makikita yung Facebook page mismo. Let's start your reading. Okay. Ten of Cups, Queen of Cups. Okay. Water sign. Family is one of the most important things sa buhay mo. You do love your family, you do love your life, or yung maybe yung mga tao sa pamilya mo. This is making you feel happy, this is making you feel blessed, and I feel like you are someone ngayon na parang there's a lot of love sa paligid mo ngayon. And tell me about this. But the Eight of Swords, yung iba sa inyo, this is also one of the reason kung bakit na-feel mo na parang stuck ka about something and parang hindi mo magawa ng solusyon about this. And maybe the only solution na ginagawa mo ngayon is to isantabi yung mga sarili mong kagustuhan or mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, to focus on the things na talagang kung ano yung mahalaga para sa'yo ngayon. And yeah, you're trying to focus on holding back. So part of you is holding back, or maybe yun nga, maybe you are in a situation na parang tiis-tiis lang muna, or dito na lang muna ako, or this is the best for me, this is the best for everyone. And nakikita natin na walang nangyayaring tower moment or ending regarding a family or regarding yourself, kasi nga ikaw yung nagpaparaya, ikaw yung nagfo-focus na lang sa like yung some of you pwedeng nagbubulag-bulagan, nagbibingi-bingihan, yung pakiramdam mo pinipigilan mo lang, or hindi mo na lang pinapansin, etc. Just to, para maayos ang lahat. So anyway, sino to person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Sino to person? Nakamoy ako ng bagong ligo. This could be a reading. Ang bango. Or lotion. Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. You do have the King of Swords. The Hermit is here. Clarify this, please. Queen of Wands. Yan. The Hermit, Virgo energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Tell me about this. I want to clarify. Puro mga matataas na klase ng card ito. Ayan o, the High Priestess, the Magician. This could be someone who is mature or nakakaramdam tayo ng spiritual connection. Well, actually, ito person na to could be, the High Priestess is here. So, this could be a very spiritual person. This could be a person na pwedeng naglalabas na siya or nagkaroon na kayo ng spiritual connection, soul connection sa inyong dalawa, or pwedeng in your past life, nakasama mo na tong taong to. And I feel like with the Queen of Wands, this is like an advisor, a teacher, someone na malalaman mo na matagalan na buhay tong taong to sa mundong to kasi ang dami na niyang alam. Ang dami niya ng skills. Alam mo yan, yung parang, Matagal na siyang nandito sa mundo. Maybe your person could also be a guide. Yeah, or giving you guide. Or giving guides to other people. Halimbawa, nagbibigay siya ng tulong sa iba, or siya yung nagbibigay ng guide sa kanila kung ano dapat gawin nila sa buhay nila kasi marunong na siya, alam na niya yung dapat niyang gawin. Yeah, sabi ko nga, could be a teacher, could be someone who is uh, magaling magsalita or magaling makipag-usap. I can see a lot of words here. Could be also an entertainer. I can see Leo energy. Could be someone na magaling mag-entertain or what, or someone who is very, very professional. Alam mo kung titignan mo to, magkakaiba yung tao magkakaiba yung skills niya, magkakaiba yung quality or yung kagalingan na meron siya, pero lahat to kaya niyang gawin. So this could be someone who is like, we also don't know this person as jack of all trades kung tawagin. Kasi literal, ang dami niyang alam. Okay, ano ang emotion niyo sa isa't isa? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you do have the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. The Death card is at the bottom of the deck. The Wheel of Fortune, the Chariot. So, ayan, puro major arcana. I feel like you're not happy sa ngayon. Nalulungkot ka, nasasaktan ka. There are things na talagang pinipilit mong ipaniwala sa sarili mo, or there are things like na pwedeng nakikita mo na ngayon malinaw para sa'yo pero pinipilit mong lokohin ang sarili mo regarding dito. You're like living a lie, parang gano'n, na parang alam mo sa sarili mo with the Four of Pentacles yung totoo, pero mas pinipili mo na lang with the Two of Pentacles na mag-focus sa realidad at kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. This is you trying to balance yourself, balance the future, pero alam mo yon, behind closed doors, pag mag-isa ka na lang, pag matutulog ka na, doon lumalabas sa'yo lahat ang totoo. Maybe you're someone na nagfo-focus sa career, focus on money, focus on your life right now, pero yun nga spiritually, or maybe some kind of rebirth ang nangyayari sa'yo, or maybe recognition about what is this person, ano siya sa buhay mo. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng awakening, nagkakaroon ng shake up, nagkakaroon ng messages sa dreams mo. And doon tayo sa person mo, emotion niya para sa'yo, for water sign, you do have the Three of Pentacles, Page of Wands. So maybe this person, magaling siya sa communicate. So pwedeng nabanggit niya na rin sa'yo, or nakagawa siya ng paraan maybe in the past or kahit ngayon, na masabi sa'yo kung ano talagang emotion niya. The Ten of Swords is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So pwede nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyo, pero itong person na to is like yung ending is more like ending pero okay. This is supposed to be masakit na card with the Ten of Swords, pero hindi ako nakakaramdam ng sakit dito. Kasi but rather, mas nakikita natin ito yung person na to. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng mature na siya, spiritually, emotionally, etc. Pati yung way niya mag-isip. And with the Three of Pentacles, nakakita tayo dito ng person na to na pwedeng, siya ngayon ang nakakaalam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, nagpapahirap sa'yo, pero with the Page of Wands, alam niya sa sarili niya na kung ano man yung situation mo, hindi siya yung makakagawa ng paraan para maayos mo yan, your own problems, parang ganon. Nandito ako as a guide, nandito ako as a friend, nandito ako as someone na could help you. Kung gusto mo, kung kailangan mo ng advice, I can help you. If you're dealing with someone who has also knowledge sa spirituality, like could also be a tarot reader, could also be astrologer or whatever, no, may kinalaman sa mga mystical science or mystical or occult. So kung ito yung taong yon, or katulad ko siya, nagbibigay din ng guide sa iba, psychologist, this person could help you or could give you advice regarding sa kung paano masusolusyonan yung problema mo or kung anong dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo. But of course, nasa sayo pa rin ang action, or nasa sayo pa rin yun. And the person na to is like having a huge transformation ngayon sa buhay niya. There's things na ilalet go niya sa sarili niya. Maybe changing his or her diet, changing his or her lifestyle. Ayan, so maybe there's a transformation. I can see this person as a phoenix. I can see Scorpio energy. Ayan, Pluto energy is what I can feel here. A lot of transformation pagdating sa taong ito sa sarili niya. Yun ang ginagawa niya eh. Okay, so anyway, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Seven of Swords, the Three of Cups. Okay, wait lang, nalaglag. The Hierophant. And the Emperor is at the bottom of the deck. Strength card is here. Nine of Wands, Knight of Cups. Oh. Akala ko nagpakitan to kanina. Well, anyway. Naramdaman ko yung energy na Knight of Cups. Kasi ang feeling is like, nagpakita na to kanina. So, actually, nagpakita nga ito dun sa nakaraang kong reading. Bago tong reading na to. Ang ni-reading ko is Libra. So, you might want to check it out. Yung pinaka-latest na in-upload ko sa Libra Philippines. Well, I don't know kasi pwedeng late mo na mapanood tong video. Basta yung ulyanin ako guys. Hindi ko maalala yung title. But anyway, you could be dealing with a Libra. Or malakas ang Libra sa kanyang chart. Okay. You do have your Seven of Swords. What's with the Seven of Swords? Ten of Wands and the Fool. I can feel like some of you would be taking the risk about something in the near future with the Fool. Magte-take ka ng risk and pwedeng there's a tradition, kultura, or might be something na pinaniwalaan mo na matagal. Pero ito nagpahirap sa'yo dahil sa paniniwala mo na to, parang naloko mo rin yung sarili mo. And then with the Three of Cups, I can see you reconciling with a friend or someone na could help you. I mean, dalawa lang kasi yung choice mo. It's either you push the spirituality or you want to push the something to do with government or yung mga legal matter. And so, dalawa lang yan. Alin ba doon yung dapat maipush? So, some of you, you would be choosing your purpose sa buhay mo na ito. So, I can see a reconciliation with maybe a friend that could help you na magawa yung purpose mo sa buhay mo. The Ten of Wands, I can see you changing your path. And this time, it will be much clearer to you. A path na pwedeng papunta dito sa situation na ito talaga yung para sa'yo, ito yung gusto mo, ito yung talagang life mo. And then I can see you going back to a place wherein parang ito talaga yung pangarap mo or ito yung lumalabas sa dreams mo. So, check your dreams. So, maybe there's clues in there. There's messages in there kung saan ka dapat pumunta, kung ano talagang gusto mo mag-manifest sa buhay mo. Ace of Swords, yan. And Ace of Cups, ayan. So, I can see new beginnings talaga sa'yo in the near future. And I feel like this new beginning is something na talagang magbibigay ng kalungkutan para sa'yo kasi in a way with the Queen of Swords may mga bagay or tao ka na kailangan i-cut off sa buhay mo para magawa itong new beginning na ito. But I can see this would be a very successful new beginning for you with the Six of Wands kasi nandun yung pagbabalik pero this time there's assurance na itong pagbabalik na to magiging mas better or mas maging maayos na siya. Okay, and then in the near future, I can see an offer sa'yo with the Knight of Cups, coming from the Knight of Cups with the Strength card, mas matibay or mas like, this, I can see a person who is no longer willing to fight, hindi na siya willing makipaglaban or ilaban or what with the Nine of Wands, kasi parang, ang tendency, siya lang din naman na nasaktan, siya lang din naman ang nahirapan. So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng there's peacefulness in the near future. May mga bagay lang talaga na dapat mawala or umalis sa buhay mo. But I can see na mas magbibigay ng better opportunities, better life, better beginning ito para sa'yo. Yeah. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.